Let us solve this question. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 1. It says that a glass is filled with milk. 2/3 of its content is poured out and replaced with water. If this process is being repeated how many times? 3 more times, then in the final ratio of milk to water, then what is going to be the milk to water in the finals? So this is a mixture and alligation problem. If you do not understand the concept, we have made 10 to 11 video lessons on mixture and alligation only for you. You will find the link in the description box. Go learn the concept and you will be able to simplify this problem within 30 to 40 seconds. I'm moving forward and solving this question out here. It says that milk is there. Say for example, milk is 1 liter and water is, there is no water in the beginning. It says that a glass is filled with milk. So the volume of the glass I have taken as 1 liter and it is filled with milk. And then problem tells you that 2/3 of its content is poured out. So 2/3 has been taken out. So if you take out 2/3, so milk that is going to be left is 1/3 and 2/3 will become nothing but water. 2/3 liter will be water. If you look at it, the volume still is 1 liter. So 2/3 of milk has been replaced by water. So first replacement is done. It says that this process is repeated 3 more times. If you repeat it 3 more times, what is going to happen? Have a look at it. You have got 1/3 liter of milk. You take out 2/3, right? If you take out 2/3 of it, how much milk is going to be left? 1/3 of this value, right? So what is that I'm going to be doing is 1/3 of 1/3 liter will be left after second such replacement. Is that okay? I am not counting how much is water. I'm not counting how much is water. It is going to waste my time. So after second replacement, this is what 1/9 liter of milk is left in the glass. And if we do the third replacement, in third replacement again 1/3 of milk will go out, 1/3 of water will go out, right? And then it will be replaced with water. But then 1/3 from here, not 1/3, 2/3 is gone, not 1/3, 2/3 is gone, and the milk is not coming back. So again you're left with 1/3 of this value. And this is done 3 times. Now we have to do it one more time. If you do it one more time, now probably you're understanding that 2/3 of milk will go out and it is going to be replaced with water, isn't it? So if 2/3 of milk is gone, how much milk is left? Again 1/3. So finally the milk that is going to be there in the glass is 1/3 into 1/3 into 1/3, and that is coming out as 1/81 liters. Is this okay? And what is the total content? What is the total volume of the glass? It is 1 liter. So what is going to be? Water. Water is going to be 1 liter negative 1/81. And if you simplify this, it is 80/81 liters. Isn't it simple, right? And what is that they are asking me in the problem? Then final ratio of milk to water. Then final ratio of milk to water. How much milk is there? How much milk is there? It is 1/81 is to 80/81. So these two are gone. What is that we are left with? 1:80. Which option is the right answer? Option number D is the right answer. If you do not understand, what did I say? If you do not understand mixture and alligation, you have got to understand it, because this is a very important topic for your CAT examination. So learn this topic through the video lessons that I have made only for you. Bye bye and take care.